Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri AMALIA NGABITO with NIM 4424-20013. I am from class Chemistry A 2020. Today, I will present a video about inorganic chemistry practicum entitled Synthesis of Urea-Hydrgen Peroxide. Objective: synthesis of urea-hydrogen peroxide crystals, qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis of the amount hydrogen peroxide in urea-hydrogen peroxide synthesized using permanganometric titration method. Hydrogen peroxide can oxidize or reduce various kinds of inorganic compounds and organic compounds in certain reaction conditions. Hydrogen peroxide is an environmentally friendly chemical because hydrogen peroxide easily decomposes into water and oxygen gas spontaneously in solution. The reaction of making urea-hydrogen peroxide solids is relatively easy and inexpensive, and the ability as an oxidizing agent is similar to. In this experiment, UHP solid synthesis will be carried out. The amount of in the synthesized urea-hydrogen peroxide samples can be determined using the permanganometric titration methods. Hydrogen peroxide reduces potassium permanganates to in acidic conditions. Tools and materials. Tools are beaker glass, watch glass, drop pipette, stirring rod, hot plate, measuring cup, spatula, Erlenmeyer flask, vanilla glass, and analytical balance. Materials are aqueous, hydrogen peroxide, manganese dioxide, and urea. In this practicum, we are synthesized urea-hydrogen peroxide where 12 ml of hydrogen peroxide is taken and dissolved with 1.2 grams of urea and then heat. The purpose of heating is to increase the solubility so that it can quickly produce crystals. The next method is qualitative analysis, which is a test that aims to test the presence of an element in a sample or the presence or absence of a compound in a sample. In this method, 0.1 grams of urea-hydrogen peroxide crystals are dissolved with distilled water, then add with solid manganoxide. The purpose of adding manganese oxide is to catalyze and decompose hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. The result obtained is that there are bubbles of oxygen gas and black solution. From the experiment that have been carried out, the result urea-hydrogen peroxide crystal weight is 0.3657 grams and urea yield is 96%. In the qualitative test, there are oxygen gas bubbles and a black solution. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.